Well, on Friday, we briefly introduced the new director of mission and spiritual care at Essentia Health, the St. Joseph's Medical Center in Brainerd. In this week's Community Spotlight, Shane Lee learns much more about the inspirational chaplain.
Pleasure to meet you, Lee Casey.
Welcome.
Thank you.
The new director of mission and spiritual care has worked at St. Joseph's Medical Center for 1 week and still has not seen it. Lee Casey has not seen anything since his 17th birthday when he crashed through the windshield of his motorcycle.
Nose flattened on the side of my face and knocked a piece of bone out of my nose. Tore a piece of flesh out of my lip, so when I woke up from surgery, had stitches across underneath my nose, up along the side to my nose, underneath my right eye.
Casey's jaw was wired shut for 11 weeks. The awful event was made more bearable by regular visits from a chaplain.
That planted the seed for me, I believe, some years later for me to pursue a chaplain ministry that I'm serving in today.
Casey has worked 26 years in ministry, all in the dark. His biggest challenge is learning the layout of his new workplace. Casey mostly uses frames of reference to navigate.
I remembered walking along here that this would kind of lead on around towards the front part of the ER.
I joined Lee for a lap around the first floor of the hospital, and he did extremely well navigating until he got to this set of doors. Now, he just went a little bit past the doors, and he quickly felt these ridges, which told him he had gone too far, and he went back to press the button.
There they are.
I don't know how he memorizes all of that. I know he also has notes, but it's just remarkable.
Special software on Casey's computer reads back what he has typed, as well as what others have typed in emails. He only asks his coworkers not to send any pictures.
He has a wonderful sense of humor, which is a lot of fun to work with.
I can still play tennis. I do a pretty good job at serving. I just do lousy on the returns. So I'll hit the ball over the net and then I'll run off to the side.
Along with playing sports, Casey says he misses seeing people's smiles, which he receives in abundance as he meets his new co-workers.
Have you been here a while?
I started in June.
And I just find people are so warm and so welcoming and wanting to meet Lee and extend that warmth and welcome, and it just makes me feel really, really good about our value of hospitality here.
Exam 5.
Casey will be serving on a number of committees as well as visiting patients and participating in community outreach programs to help people seek physical, mental, and spiritual health.
That's the most rewarding thing, is that knowing that I've been able to help make a positive difference in someone's life.
Shane Lee, Lakeland News.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.